Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin on your Facebook page, okay? So please make sure first that you're logged into your Facebook page, and then once you're here, I just want you to click on settings. Make sure you want to click on settings, and this should be the landing page, right? So from here now, I want you to click on new page experience. Just look for this option right here, and you're gonna arrive on this platform. You're gonna have two options, people with Facebook access or people with task access. So basically, if you really want to give access for admin, click add here. Now if you wanna give access for certain tasks only, click this button right here. For example, people with Facebook access, because we're targeting admin authorization, right? So click add new right there. So Facebook access means they're gonna tell you what is the accessibility they're gonna have. Simply click on next right there, and then Facebook is just gonna ask you who to add on this page as admin. Simply search by name or email. For example, I'm just for sample, Mark Zuckerberg. Okay. For example, these are the Mark Zuckerberg people that I have as a result for the nearest people that's named Mark Zuckerberg. So I'm not quite sure which is the real one here, but for example, I want to add this guy right here. Simply click on the name and give access. Okay? After you click on give access, you're good to go. You've just assigned a new admin to your Facebook page. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.